I won't lash any trader. I withdraw my decision. KMA Mayor. Mayor Frim. I will not lash anybody. Name Sampan and Osemensa do not have any moral right to come and condemn me. If you go on me, ye na yomwa. Sampan the Jeff Fina and Timiko yes Jumano. It is Simon Semensa, the former regional minister, and the mayor, former mayor, should keep quiet. Who is Ghana's founder? Education Minister tasked Curriculum Review Committee to bring. Ghana. It's peaceful. Come, let's all enjoy Easter. Dasibre ekwa moaboaten kwa uhi mahine wose wo mumra. Now let's ensem bia tutu dwane ni nyina ne se okwa pro ewo Ghana ha se Ghana mabunu ntu abama no odi dwumade bia ne efe no 1 million coders program ye coding ye be kire wo mo na wo matimi enya enhunu ne enhunumu sonko ewo abefo mfidi nyuma mu no enra oda no adi ye ntie no
a knowledge-based, innovation-driven economy, one where our greatest resource, our people, are equipped to create solutions, generate jobs, and be able to compete globally. At the heart of this initiative is our belief in Ghanaian youth. We believe in your creativity and your boundless potential. Investment in our youth, an investment in their future as coders, as analysts, as entrepreneurs, and as tech pioneers. Once more as president, I made a promise that our national recovery will be people-centered, innovation-led, and future-focused. And that recovery begins by breaking down the barriers that hold us back.
Okay, the minority in parliament is alleging that they have intel Omanhene Yaw mama as she said opeso odi ono no chief justice and the basis so and no dey tete and say the chief justice in the person of her ladyship, her lordship Tokunu. He's been asked to step aside. He's been suspended pending investigation. By Ghana Mremuno say a suspended the annex a prima facie case has been established by the Council of State at Omanhene. Now you better a committee be so yes it's in place. Entity is answer no, but no the tea and say, Mammy no yes you since we found out today. Minority say Omanhene yes now you are going to set a bad precedent. Yentie Swami Rashebejani.
The purpose of the petition we have gathered is to malign the head of the judiciary, orchestrate her removal, and thereby silencing the judiciary, and finally to exert control as the offshoot of the PNDC, the NDC government, of course, did back in June 30th, 1982. Ladies and gentlemen of the media, the framers of our constitution made each of the arms of government independent and separate, yet made provisions for checks and balances, respect for each branch, does not provide for an executive overreach, an overreach drawn from funny allegations such as the one against the current CJ.
And then Tino, almost 7 years, say to them. So and so on person we are no Omanhene Yaw mama at the NDC Chief Justice Nebetna so now as I say me and I go for dame and so then I know two movie all case Omanhene Yaw mama na ma utu no and yet it will carry na and court no so the assembly to just Omanhene Yaw mama on for me say institution akese wo Ghana ha say nipa no bi honest or remove o ma onye bone eno na Attorney General Ayene ekase Omanhene Yaw he's performing his constitutional duty. Performance
of he has filed an application in court. So if he says that the court has already granted an order in respect of which the president, must not continue the process, right? First of all, he has to understand that this is the performance of a constitutional duty, all right? And the law is very clear that you cannot enjoin the performance of a constitutional or public obligation. The point that he's trying to make by saying that the president must hold on to the process of consultation.
His argument is that because of what is happening
to the process of consultation.
Okay. NT no MPP for Enra and Professor Michael Kwe the Ninyama wahwehwe mu Ghana ha nyina no ekoma MPP for na eno mate a 9-member committee na Adeakye Kufuado baby National Council Fremont Paris Deputy for the members of parliament in National Council. Omugoshiem no omate ekua nipa nkron se omo constitution no Ghana MPP for constitution na govern omo no omo yi nipa nkron so omo nkoye nhwehwemu na niema bi o so omo kuchiri no omo sesa no ebe pie edenara ebe pie omo so de ko omo ho so omo ya omo adwen se ye fiasem then no asem si de bi e bae one of the second vice chairman of the party and Alhaji Masaudu na wo kwode ne seke kan yi na ekopia TV3 for omo microphone to na amanfo se ahwe so omo pam TV3 for yeah, I'm sure. Now, I'm saying, "Oh, change you." Said, "Hey, you have the video." Oh, but yes, so I said that. Come on, Maya. Because they will not even invite them. Unity of MPP is paramount, says Napo. I won't last any trader. I will draw my decision. KM Mayor. Yentino.
They are cooking in the middle of the road on our side. I don't think everybody knows that that is happening. So let them get off. As I have started cleaning, so that we clean Kumasi and make the Kumasi look clean. As for those ones, the tangentials, if they are not there, we won't get it. Yeah. Bottom line is that other people have suggested jail terms instead of giving corporal punishment. So I want to adapt to that one and say, they want to be in prison, they want to go on remand for a month or we'll do that. Instead of meting out instant punishment, we take them to court, but I'll make sure they respect.
Chizuba no also one more be abu krase maka me sem tiawa ibi kai yi den gwana me send my hono Kwesi Pratt. I'll be so scandalous if by this morning the mayor is still at post and I'm saying hey Kwesi also he's scandalized, but he'll be so scandalized if by mayor at the city post yenina d be say do you want to vet no hey I said by 90 penny be a jabotre. Who is Ghana's founder? Education Minister say curriculum review committee no omunkotra hono mfa final yimra Ghana founder no anyway. See our Founders Day. Any our founder. Kwame Nkrumah birthday ni edi. They mu wonye founder. Kufuor Dubai and was say JB num ni adim na be shem. Yo, mama say free.
Who is the founder of Ghana? I want to me say baby ayaba be dure sa controversy ne why next a founder na Ghana my name yesika yedi no ehi 14 guso
Enya big six.
Yes, until where from this on my no your identity pass bia me do baby na se me yi sika na bia ma enye me passport me na me yi sika to ade So
the big six.
The big six.
So it cannot be a founder.
Yes.
It can be founders.
Yes. Omanhene sika ye dia ye di trade ye di digwa amongst a training left and right. Tell me the accountant fee say baby ya ba bedru no. This unnecessary controversy be a shashe and a one apostrophe s obekai.
Apostrophe.
Ye the apostrophe de kotie no ana say ye de koto achire. Wey.
Ni nyira so ya adodankwa. Adodankwa.
Say wo fa no wom.
And 2% wo fa no so.
2% no wo fa no beje fans. So no wo fa ne papa. And no papa ni ano mo.
Ai obi to mu nyina mrambi.
Edu je so person o ya na apostrophe ne de koto achire. Ebisu chese emfanto ni mu. Oh, we ne
e ba e de na de abre.
Yeah, e de na de abre.
Ghana 68 years no. You need founder there at this our age.
At this happen you go she founder. You take Ghana at 68. I feel you go she the oyega. You take Ghana.
And I want him say abai
baby have power. And this your power o say Kwame Nkrumah.
No. O de mo free power he.
O free power na say people na be ba. O mo doso.
JB Dankwa.
no ba come from the moment pa grant no. Nipa omo chirimu papa na ni sika.
Oye adwuma
pa grant.
Why is it that pa grant now? Once you
just big six na pa grant nka ho.
Why?
Your friends omu UGCC.
Pa grant o ko fa Kwame Nkrumah ba yo. So that man all about mu sika mom de ko fa Kwame Nkrumah. But pa grant is not recognized even that much by MPP.
And it's a mistake. Pa grant.
To omu history no ho. Minister so omu go hwemra. Sasabre is it afi ne ko hwe di o te Ghana dia. Ya yankuanim Chief Justice.
Removal of Mami Gertrude Tokonu, Chief Justice. Akonta nano meka so ni nyamenko. So meka agota.
Awo kai.
Meka say Mami Gertrude die.
Oninya.
Akonta de wo edu baby no yetete se petitions ni bi kura no aso mu no se ne bi mu nye ha. Ebi mu ha. So enti
akoshem kena
so hu ebi akoye asade editing no so na ase better particulars akosisem and ebi wo so ese omudi kan liki omudi ani pie enti na kese e ba sa no a enti bingira mo
the test of the law
e wo say yakukuo mu nkomo akosi se nipa no be free hono no na kota me question na say se koba se mami processes ne ade o ma hyase se koba se ne yetete na ledge omu yi ne free hono mo a ne mo friend se ne pension pay digina ye de be ma no omu pam no a
se omu oyi na dia
se oyi na dia se
oyi na dia onya
no abregu
oyi na dia onya ono a resign kra na
baby e do akoto betima resign
of health or any other thing is entitled sir some voluntary retirement.
Yes, voluntary retirement.
Yes. You're an entitlement be mano but say otra ma bibia senior yin dia mungo buza Charlotte say hwe oni George na mankwa na Amadusule abra yi o madinu
so afrim
Amadusule dey ofrim George na mankwa na Charlotte Ghana has say if you are sacked or dismissed, you will not get your entitlement.
Oh, the dinama me yes, or Yajuma as a friend say, Judge ya, rise ya,
you were denied what if you could do sick at the other candy. I so chamber and this is also so your mama so de man.
But Ebia na kota me fee say, Ebia, me Ebia Obelusu ni Article 71, the Ebia status, Nebia. No say normally mo kotena if you more monthly salary you retire on Ebia.
When you retire on your salary, it means you have retired.
Yes.
The constitution does not say if you are your entitlement. Then there is no punitive measure attached to the dismissal.
I could tell you what dismiss be also so. Over and you may be a ubejina so. They are dismissing
that be at the BS of Nipa. Do it with a human face because Yahweh, a Jumemha.
Yeah.
Ubia ya den ye yin dia. Yeah, you know di.
Matiase.
Yeah, mau bibia. But Abia, nipa no you know, bet maka say amount 3 months salary.
Yes.
To announce it to you.
Yeah.
Say Abia labor law allow say obey you obey the amount 3 months salary to account boom the amount of kwan. Onu di bibia biu. Maame no say entansa de bonoa. Your mama be yinedi.
Yes.
Obey you free ho. Which means she will lose it.
Akota say obi bokro no wa adwuma mu. Ni yinedi. Ye yinedi. Obi soso bia you can say wakontokwa ye yinedi. Obi soso can say bia ebi adwuma oye breach ketue
negligence be no na akofa bibia ba. The word is what?
Ye yinedi.
Dismissal. And Amika said then person who dismissed you and they be about touch a human face to it based on we be award no a misdemeanor and because of the misdemeanor no punishment they be a base it bit mama baby obi wa award no a tragedy trajectory e fa so ma ade ne bae no e bi kura was e chutum what is ka and I want to be here. What's up, a pen title?
Matthias.
You know why you know SIC like Mamina.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
On say they had a compensation arrangement with him
for
with
her.
Gave her 5 million Ghana cedis no koye because okokotwa kebi akot no be jisika kese kra. Kafe what ya say? Enti you no dey yin di. Maami we dey no. A committee will be set up. Constitutional prescribing committee members no. Omo trasi we are. No mo de krata komo mampani say. Entansa e de ball no maami di for. Ana maami no. Ye hwehwe mu no. Ensebo omo be kan no because she will have a hearing, you know that.
Yes.
To be invited to the committee.
Yes.
In camera. Obi anti. It's omo di komo ni nyina wi anu aka cho mampani say. President Adeni mo haso be ma me na firi o ma ne tra ho ade we o man peni John Mama wo be kaya during campaign or kindly pain say there will be sanity in the judiciary if the chief justice is not opposed. Most of the NDC big men when there were issues of courts near there they came say ma me no moa e kwan on faso empano ekrofo kra any ebi okra say no abesi atena so the recent one is konya engagement.
Yes so
no banta no they feel say maame no anam ntuo ne hihye bi no e ma judiciary no akoye say akosho obi botom it will free her there will be sanity resetting ebi no
agota de kan nyina ibe de me kam na kwakosie ne say me kai say me be President John Dramani Mahama Asia certain professionals in NDC, especially lawyers within NDC. I catch them say they should position themselves. Some no more position. Say Supreme Court. Appointed say Nyankopon ya dom NDC ba power so be kaya. Ombe appointed bi akọ Supreme Court no any ade. Akota sa niema way to aso say ya. Me de bia me ka say Ghana ye lusu bibia from parliament nanu yo mo ba atwede akra de Ghana from pay MPs nani mahwe empom ho asem krate wo mfi se omo guye ni mase atu da bi ensese eko
executive so ni ministers
and executive president also so no ministers no so de o amafo se mini wo be di Ghana sika no mako ba mu gina bonten a wo ba no hu sa se bo dwene Ghana fo ho ama ba betira konya no so a na akwakoya asem foforo akotanti de na aka judiciary we say ensensembe bata ho ye nu anas aremi ya anas adwuma okokọ ye ni ade ba konta hu say enya sa esusuaso na nke begu omanum ase tantantan no enya sa still na mafo yes se ni panya gidie say bi kra menya asam me court no kire sa konta gidie da ekakra wo but say eto so amana kwa koduru say me kache me nkrofo say munyina ye na me ba me sesam akokoto nti ya start no say bia as a start say so we start process to remove the chief justice na edidi echire sa no remove no we na free no mo a
yeah we not just say
yeah
when him say we have lost the electoral commission to the
yes
to the executive.
Yes. Now
I
chief of defense staff, president
president be obeying there.
Chief Justice.
It is Omanhene Yaw mama so yi we are not just
straight president
obeying chief justice,
obeying the electoral commission, obeying the IGP, obeying the police commander, obeying the soldier commander. Na so bam afi asemsia hu baby ye asem ne kwa koboni akonya kamafo amana ka asem no ye gina ebete ho asesa asem de eyetrodo akonta ye kan yeke omunkotu emra se ye court no na emra ne sisi blue black one yellow ena maame no ko ni green
anano tie maame na e ka asem bi or say at the end of the day it is the law.
It is the law.
Maame na small kind no now Ebi Mufi said he was also taking a swipe at the president because baby our phone power mremu no say yes, the end result is the law.
Yes, akunta
black
and white and the hono ma nyina mo kenkane ete ase
azate
mrem ni nyina gina
aha my tape assembly ni
hand waving
is
the legal answer. Simply, no decision that I have made in my role as Chief Justice or in my capacity as President of a panel of the Supreme Court has come from anything but a knowledge of law. No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law, and one can give to all the hand waving is the legal answer, unless we want something else.
Okay, Asante, Maminjo.
Problem now. And this commissioner on my artists review the existing ones or this one, any human intent. On my because election Ghana would it to me many power the abuse is always there. Would they to me maybe near obey abuse almost say where obey be and 1 year in the city, and that's always the problem because Ombaka say be a Talata say Kofi, Mammy was with my Kofi. Protest about Francis and Mamu Kufi, we are the another rumor so making round say, oh, I know, cry. Yeah, to say, a month for the petition, come on, man, penny, Jane Mensa, Prophet Bossman, Titina Bossman, and a Bossman for awaiting results.
Now, with that, Mpoko Papa be Pokro Brita.
Oh my, dear Cosmo. Yeah, say
Ghana is sweet.
You better my chairman say ya. To Gianniara. Binsidano. Binsidano since 1992, you started a multi-party democracy.
That's right.
You could see your name, but you have your uncle so says another in that now. As a young man for a from month for no was starting the process of Opium point challenge. No. Oh, we saw as a normal. And that is where the NDC is getting that president to get that all this. That is a worry. Enti on my media make when it's our constitutional review commissioner man pay mama ati no. Among factor some of these things. Na hard where Speaker of Parliament when appointed. It's not the president.
Yeah.
Yeah, to show about members of Juma. And the lobby after the lobby in Swaba. And that presidency 2020 Jana, a certain government, IMPP with the majority, Edini Core Parliament, and more Coco Luciano. Actually, I would say direct control in Parliament.
That's right.
And he say, anything idea bar, Judiciary bar and famra. Nemwa because say Omanhene Yaw appoint all these people no. No. Where oh my say Kobase IG Chief Justice Kubia. Wow, you di beba no. The perception is say
Adeakye Abia obeya be so opposition any. Already the position is saying say Omanhene Yaw mama person the NDC Chief Justice never. Ya too dino.
And then someone can say NDC Chief Justice doesn't mean also MPP Chief Justice ana.
Very good, but
the system
Mami wo me. Tiemio. Mami wo in mo bi am frɛ no MPP Chief Justice. Yentisi abodi this one but we with the minority not to the
I can attack ahead of his appointment.
The obey bia people will see him or her with a different eye.
So intermediate
young comrana
but Uzuba de na make
Zuba
why
was it the Nizuba
sana Zuba when first sumia ma adwene akwade mu se ni ono ane ma me ni nua ma sebi
ontimi mbia ba
mo munti yesre Zuba ya ade
adwobre
nemu o ma de make twa to sa koso 7 video but 10 seconds amamia ayi sa kigeti ho construction or renovation is seriously under ongoing.
Amanfo si
renovation the iron ore shemu akotena ho Zuba behwa mo asie na kwakobu anase say na ekoso
so they should stop them.
You should come say you stop and stop.
Amanfo is
mesi nyina mesi akofa ho no omu
Juma
ye da ho so se dia na ye
so munya bi omo peka credit
ya da bi enya dia no Jesu bi nsi so na
amanfo to wall amanfo si
o
akutabi private people dia o
private people for no the almost of the back media no
media na make
and be musu abawura musi
anti ke media no say obetena mo masia se ne to jo
anti na make Zuba
obeta ke media no so mo de man nipa han o
o de han ya mo dia
to de mama han
na ebunta ya wotoy
obi toy so untimi mubu ni sa meka se media
human life ya so
ke menu so start engagement with them no munya say omuti baabi na ma no so ye de
radio na asa aye
radio na me to mo
ya we de
what happened last
amanfo si o
ke me mo dia but omo han omo toy
so siwie no hye no de ne ma obeda buru mo be acquiescence. Don't allow the thing to continue. Woman continue any part of Boakye the court will not allow it. Structural integrity I can once even Real Madrid for Yame and come home. Said the BC the sea no. And Ramanka.
Okay, yeah, when you say Casasa,
they say Arsenal go share mo. Real Madrid team na nya papa. And Ramanka to Orlando. Messi oba go share mo. Abode bobo no. And no tetia she Rudiger kwasi asembia. Rudiger no here red card.
Bellion.
Sa small boy e friend say Arsenal kwala ketua.
Saka.
David the Otia na yase no. Skelly. This small boy now, no bubble and out tit and I ask.
Oh, yeah, and no, I'm on for bet. Some make us ask now. I'm on for bet to say, Anna. Buy money so.
Buy many about 2-2.
Oh, man, yeah, around.
They say I didn't.
Hey, more
Juma, they will be.
Juma, no. Ya tu wa no to wa ya to wa ni e bu la mi ya ma
ya bra
asaba to
wa no ye to a ebu o wa no ye to
ya bu no
ye timi to wa ye
ya no la
e ye tip off. Microphone e ye tip off.